videos.
So we're at Best Buy. Nicole and friend who is not around, as you can see. So this is video game. What is this game called?
I don't even know, but I want to get a Wii U just to get it.
This is amazing. Like, not only is it's got like the whole Sonic the Hedgehog kind of thing going on. Just move to the right. It has like the music track where every action you do corresponds with the music. It's so cool. Look at that. Watch. Oh no. Oh, she's still making it. There she goes. I feel like if you just nod your head, then this game would get so much easier.
Oh, it just got real. Did I just win? I want...
No, what the heck?
The actual worst?
Absolute worst, yes.
Oh my god, look at all those birds. They're so pretty. Oh my god, let's run and scare the shit out of them.
Oh, they're gonna poop on us if they like all just start flying over our heads.
Man, Bobby looks like shit right now.